I'm going to show you how to use radio button. To change the text or caption of each radio button, just go to the properties and click text and change the text or caption. To make the program looks interesting, I will make a stoplight and I will use oval shape as a representation of the lights. To change the back style of each shape, just go to the properties and change it into opaque so that if you want to change the back color of each shape, it will be there will be an effect. So in the first radio button, the first shape must be colored green. So we will encode. So you will type oval shape 1 dot back color is equals to color dot green. The second radio button, the second shape must be colored yellow. And the third shape must be red. So let's try. As you can see, the first shape is colored green because the first radio button is check or click. Let's try colored yellow and red. If you want to move like the color or make it like a stoplight, we should bring back the back color of the unfocused shape into black. So just add a code and make the other shape back color must be colored black. Just copy and paste. So let's try. As you can see, the program that we created looks like a stoplight. So this is how to use the radio button.